So you've been enjoying your set of wheels from Audio City USA for quite some time now, and you've noticed they've started to get dirty. So today I'm going to teach you how to clean them. Let's go. So here are the tools you're going to need. Your favorite brand of wheel cleaner, your favorite brand of tire shine, a microfiber cloth, and a microfiber applicator pad. Here's how you're going to go ahead and clean your wheels. Step one, if you haven't already, go ahead and hose off the wheels to get rid of all that excess dirt, dust, and grease. And then you want to take your favorite brand of wheel cleaner. Now refer to the label on how to apply this because each wheel cleaner is different. Some want you to spray it onto the wheels directly and others want you to spray them onto a cloth. In this case, we're going to spray them onto a microfiber cloth, then go ahead and wipe down the wheels. Once you've done that and the wheels are looking shiny and clean, next you're going to want to take your favorite brand of tire shine, take the microfiber application pad, spray it on, and go ahead and wipe down the tires. Now that we've got the wheels all shiny and clean, another thing I would recommend you do in order to keep it clean is to pick up an Audio City USA ceramic coating kit. This kit is going to keep your wheels clean from dirt, grease, and brake dust. So these I highly recommend, and that's how you clean your wheels.